Konnichiwa, watashi wa Arya desu. This means hello, myself Arya in Japanese language. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Arya Ujjankar and channel is going to be about Japanese language tutorial videos. Knowing another language gives us more options to look around and see the world from a different perspective. But why learn Japanese language? There are a number of reasons why people are growing interest in learning Japanese language. Everyone have their own different motives. So in today's videos, we are going to see 5 amazing reasons why to learn Japanese language and introduction to the Japanese language. Keep watching.
5 amazing reasons why to learn Japanese in India. First, career scope of learning Japanese language in India. Knowing the language will give you more career options in the field. Second, work or study in Japan. Japan has one of the best education system in the world. Resembling to the work in Japan, many Indian companies are trying to increase client base in country with improvement in India-Japan relationship. The ability to speak could significantly increase your job prospect in the nation. Third, demand for Japanese translator, interpreter and trainer in India. The business companies and transporting companies hire Japanese translator, interpreter and trainer in India. Fourth, unique culture, music and movies. There are many people who love the Japanese culture and history of Japan. Fifth, bigger business opportunities. The ability to speak Japanese language in India offers lot of career opportunities. You will be able to understand the Japanese work, ethic, their business. It is one of the most difficult language to learn but can be a gateway language to other Asian languages, and if you are English speaker, Japanese language will seem little different for obvious reasons, but it is one of the interesting language to learn. Now, introduction to Japanese. Japanese, that is Nihongo. It is the national language of Japan. It is not spoken anywhere else. The use of the language is becoming more widespread, however, due to the presentation of popular Japanese culture. Now, let's talk about Japanese language writing and reading system. So, the Japanese language have 3 writing and reading system. First, hiragana, second, katakana and third, kanji. Hiragana. It is the most basic of 3 writing system. It is used for words without kanjis or words that are no longer written in kanji. Second, katakana. Katakana is used primarily for words of foreign origin. Words are also purposely written in katakana at times in order to create emphasis in somewhat similar way to when words are typed in all the caps in English but for creating different effects. Kanjis. Kanjis are used alongside the Japanese syllabic script hiragana and katakana both. Kanjis is the system of symbols that represent words or ideas and that have different meaning and pronunciation depending on their context. Japanese language have 5 levels. First, basic, second, elementary, third, intermediate, fourth, upper intermediate and fifth, advanced. So, this is for today's video. Thank you for listening. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also press that bell icon for notification. Arigatou gozaimasu. That is thank you in Japanese.